Well, guys, it's hit of the year time. That's right. If you got a hit that you're proud of, find me on Facebook at Zacks Workshop, join the group, send me a PM. Here's all you need to do. The contest is free to enter. I need your name, I need your car number, I need where the hit is, like New York, Ontario, the name of the city, that kind of stuff. And if you send me the video, try to send me the YouTube link. That way I can also give credit to that guy that filmed it or the girl that filmed it. Because that way the derby community grows. You guys can subscribe to other channels. There's plenty of videos out there. If you win this contest, you get a trophy. It is a fairly large trophy. Just give me 1 second. This is the trophy that you can win for Hit of the Year in Ontario. Now, you Americans, I'll have to get another trophy for you guys. There's a trophy for first and second, and there's some awesome prizes. For Ontario prizes, we have a bolt-in post-to-post bar from DC Derby Parts by Andrew Tasker. We also have Jeffy Fab Farm standard headers plus a t-shirt. We also have free entry into an Ontario Demolition Derby to participate at one of their events at Ontario Demolition Derby, along with a free entry at one of Mum's Motorsports events. So there's two, you can get into Derby for free with a car to try to win money. That will be at first getting the Ontario and second getting the Mum's Motorsports. For the Northeast USA Hit of the Year, I've already got a couple prizes. I've got a cable shifter from Archambault Derby Supply, and they also are going to give away a Toyota Camry header with a chrome tip. It looks very nice. I'm looking for more sponsors for the American one, so I'm going to keep my eyes open. I'm going to try to contact a couple people down in the US and see what I can get, and if I can help it, I'll give it away for free. This contest is 100% free to enter. Does not cost a dime. You get your hit up on Facebook, on YouTube, and everybody gets a chance to vote for you. All you have to do is log on to your Facebook profile and be able to vote. There's going to be one separate contest for Ontario and one separate contest for Northeast America. So there's already been quite a bit of entries. I think I'm up to 45 entries in the US, and I think I'm up to about 30 entries here in Ontario. And I really want this contest to grow. I want this to get as big as it can. So if you guys want a chance to win a trophy like this, America, don't worry, you'll get a trophy just like this. Make sure you send me all the information and I can get you guys in there. There's quite a bit of people that have sent me links, and some other problems have happened where the video I can't look at, videos are muted, stuff like that. So I'm in the talks with you guys to try to get a good quality video so that I can get it up on the channel. So try to send the actual YouTube link, because that way I can link other YouTube channels in the video, so that way you guys can look at and watch other people's videos, because I know you guys are getting tired of me building Camrys, but a lot of these other guys build cars that you would never think of. One of the hits is actually a Kia SUV. There is a lot of full-size video hits that are being put in, and a lot of these guys on their YouTube channels actually spend time building these cars. So you know what? The build videos are the ones I really get into, and by the amount of views I get, I know that you guys love watching the build videos too. So this is a perfect opportunity to see all the other channels out there, and maybe subscribe to a couple other people. So thanks for watching, guys. Get your hits in, get some trophies. Good luck. Thanks for watching.